Hey there and welcome. If you've ever wondered how to create a table in Wix for your website, you're in the right place. In today's step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to effortlessly add a table to your Wix site, customize it to fit your needs, and even connect it to dynamic content. Whether you want to showcase pricing, product lists, schedules, or any other information in a clear, professional format. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills and confidence to build tables that make your site look sharp and organized. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to navigate over to your Wix web design dashboard. This is where all the magic happens for building your site. Just log into your Wix account and open the site you want to work on. Think of your dashboard as the studio where you get to design and shape every part of your website. So take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place before moving forward. Next up, let's add a section to your web page for your table. Sections in Wix act like containers or building blocks, helping you organize content and keep your layout clean. To do this, simply find the Add Section button, usually floating near the left or top of your editor. Click it, and choose where you'd like your new section to appear, maybe above or below existing content. Creating a dedicated section for your table ensures that everything stays nice and tidy, and it's easier to manage later if you want to move things around. With your section ready, it's time to add elements. Elements are the individual pieces that make up your site, like text, images, buttons, and, of course, tables. Click on the Add Elements button in your editor. This pulls up a menu of all the cool items you can drop into your page. Don't rush through this part. Take a second to browse, because Wix offers a lot of flexible options here. Now, to create a table, you'll need to look for the List option in the Elements menu. Think of lists as a way to display grouped info, and tables are one of the list formats. When you click List, you'll be shown a collection of table templates. Each template has its own style, layout, and color options, so I recommend taking a moment to scroll through and see which one fits your brand or the purpose of your table best. If you're not sure which to pick, go for something simple. You can always customize it later. Once you've chosen the perfect template, just click Add to drop it into your section. At this point, you'll see the table appear on your site, ready to be filled with information. Sometimes the default data doesn't match exactly what you need, but don't worry. You have complete control to tweak and personalize everything. To manage your table, click on it and look for the editing options that pop up. Here, you can adjust the number of rows and columns, change colors, update headers, and enter the actual data you want displayed. Play around here, and don't be afraid to experiment. It's easy to undo mistakes or revisit your changes. For example, if you're editing a pricing table, you can type in product names, prices, features, and so on, until it looks exactly right. If you're ready to take things up a notch, Wix allows you to connect your table to a CMS, or content management system. This is powerful for larger or more dynamic tables. Say, if your product list updates often, or you have a team managing content. You can set up your data in Wix's CMS and have your table automatically pull info from there, so updates happen seamlessly without needing to manually edit each entry. It might take a couple tries to connect your data source, but once you've got it, it's a real time saver. And that's it. You've just created and customized a table in Wix. It really is straightforward once you know where to click, and you'll find tables are a fantastic way to make information stand out on your site. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know your questions or experiences down in the comments. I love hearing how these tutorials help. And if you want more handy, easy-to-follow guides, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching, and good luck designing your Wix website.